Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. It's very, very humid out, so I'm going to start in here and then do a walk around outside because I'm pretty sure the camera's going to fog up. But, courtesy of INFINITI of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, link will be in the description below to check out the QX80s. We have the 2023 INFINITI QX80 Sensory with the split bench. It's a no-cost option, but it's very, very rare to see, especially in these upper trim levels. It's available on your Luxe, Premium Select, and Sensory, your three major trim levels. If you wonder how I take the thumbnails, that's it. But not many people option for it. And of course, to get in the back seat, up and over. Rear entertainment, standard with Sensory. Oh no, this is all mud. Oh, it's gonna suck. Sticker price $90,360. Radiant kick plates, black obsidian graphite, so black on black for this QX80. Whew. It's like a warm cold. It's really weird. No. Alright. Nav, heated steering wheel, cooled seats, heated seats, sunroof, absolutely everything you'd ever need. Standard on QX80 is your virtual rear view mirror. Also standard is your 5.6 liter naturally aspirated V8 pushing out 400 horsepower with a towing capacity of 8,500 pounds. What's not standard is 4x4. You can get these in rear wheel drive. We've never seen one come in. We order all of ours with 4-wheel drive. We're based here in the Northeast, so snow is a thing. A very, very big thing for half the year. However, if you're looking at buying one of these in Miami or Los Angeles, you might be looking at a rear-wheel drive version. Of course, 99% of the time this is rear-wheel drive. Your default mode is auto for the 4x4 system. You can also lock it into 4 high and 4 low, which I believe makes this a 2-speed transfer case because you have a high range and a low range. Spent some time with this, spent a weekend with it. Didn't drive it a ton, but drove it enough to get used to it. And I love these things. They are body on frame, so they do drive truck-like. But with the Sensory, you get hydraulic body motion control, so it definitely rides a bit better than you might expect. But if you have driven a pickup truck, driven things that are body on frame, it's going to be a very similar feel. You are up high. You have a very commanding driving position. And you have a big honkin' V8 up in front with a great intake note. Big change for 23 is the fact that the blind spot monitors are now moved into the mirrors themselves, not on the A-pillar post. Of course, with the rain and all that, you can't really see it, but that's the biggest change in terms of any physical differences. Whereas in terms of servicing, you now have 3-year free maintenance, and I believe for the QX80, it is 44,500 miles of free maintenance. That includes tire rotations, brake fluid flushes, filters, oil changes, everything that is factory scheduled from 3 years and 44,500 miles. That is a huge value proposition, especially on a $90,000 car. Because yes, there's not a lot of things that are going to go wrong, but it's the basic maintenance that starts to add up. So if you're leasing a QX80, for the majority of all leases, all maintenance is going to be covered. So your 10K a year lease, even your 12K a year lease, you know, maybe actually, I think your 15K a year lease, majority of it, so your big 3 leases, majority of maintenance is covered. Just with the 15,000 mile per year lease, the last 500 miles won't be covered, but whatever. Now, I'm sure you guys are hearing rumors. There is a completely redesigned QX80 in the books. As a matter of fact, it should be the next new vehicle out of Infiniti. I don't know how much of this is public information, but all I can say is I have seen the new one. I've seen pictures, well, renderings, and it's definitely a nice upgrade. I know what powertrain is going to be in it. I know a lot of things about it, and I don't know how much is public information, so I'm going to keep my mouth shut about the specifics. But it should be a very cool vehicle. And no, it is not a hybrid. Well, actually, you know what? It might be. I don't know yet. They're talking about it, but it is a definite needed upgrade. Think along the lines of the jump from the 2020 QX60 to the 22, and you got what this is going to be doing. It's going to be a complete redesign. Interior, definitely very, design, styling is going to be very similar to the QX60. But it's going to be a very cool vehicle, and I am definitely excited to get my hands on one. As a matter of fact, our GM of the store, Diana, if you're still watching this, that's pretty impressive. You tell me you normally can only make it 2 minutes into these videos. She is going out to drive 3 new vehicles for Infiniti, including the new QX80. So I am definitely excited to gather her thoughts on it. You know, she can't take pictures, she can't do anything like that, but I'm going to try to pick her brain and see what it's like. But I'm very excited to get my hands on one when they're expected to land in the next year, 2 years or so. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.